just have moments when everything goes dark, and I wake up and everything is destroyed. I go into fits of rage that I don't think anybody could stop. I tried to bang my wife's sister at my wedding, and that's when I knew that life had begun to unravel.
Do you mind if I just clarify really quick? Do you get superpowers from alcohol? We're auditioning new superheroes. Is that not?
This isn't for AA. No, yeah, you said secretive, discreet.
Why are you wearing a mask?
Alcoholic Anonymous. I don't have to wear the mask. I can't see anything. You got a cigarette? Sorry, I'm really hungover. I could time travel. Well, basically, we'll have a moment where when I have the appropriate amount of drinks, everything goes to nothing, and all of a sudden it's 36 hours later. I can make two of myself. If I have a mirror and a fifth, the kids love me. You should have seen me at my sister-in-law's kids' party. That was fantastic. This kid bet me I couldn't eat all the cake. That's my superpower. I can eat a lot of cake.
That's 9 different superpowers that you brought in. None of them sound like superpowers. They all just sound like mistakes.
It's only a mistake if you regret it.